Fuck it, you staying just like that, dickhead.
That shit might slide, bro.
If it slide, I'ma slap it. Or shit, yeah. My nigga Haiti, he made that shit. My nigga Jay riding on that shit.
You do this shit for me.
Hit the beat, listen to it, bump to it. Yeah. Ever since growing up from day one, I was brought up in the slum with my gun. Used to do things that was good, used to do things that was bad, till I started to understood what life's all about. So once I understand it, I'ma make it without a doubt. And yes, I'ma make it in the race, I'ma make it in the race like it's 1979 and I'm Scarface. No matter where you are, no matter where you is, that means you gotta fucking win. You gotta win, nigga. You gotta, hey! Said life is a game, if you win it and you gonna win it. That means you can't let them haters hold you down. You gotta push it to the limit. Like the nigga named Rick Ross, Rich Boss. Life is a game, if you win it then you wanna win it. That means you can't let them haters hold you down. You gotta push it to the limit. Push it to the limit. Push it, push it, push it.
Push it to the limit, yo. Push it to the start, yo. Push it till the wheel come off, cause we don't care. We have to go get it, and then when we go, yo, we have to go get it. Every day, yo. Gotta have the cash flow, yo. Hit the walk one, yo. Maybe get me more down, we can switch island.
Life is a game, if you win it, then you wanna win it. That means you can't let them haters hold you down. You gotta push it to the limit. Like the nigga named Rick Ross, Rich Boss. Life is a game, if you win it, then you wanna win it. That means you can't let them haters hold you down. You gotta push it to the limit. Push it to the limit. Haiti, push it to the limit. Push it to the limit.
Yeah, like niggas say Suhu, dog, we not Suhu, we Island Breeze. Yo, welcome to the zoo. Call my nigga Zoo to bring the Zulu. Like the boys say, I'm strapped, you strapped. Let's play 2 on 2. I bet if I miss you, I hate your boo. Come with Fresh Miller, the well-weight killer. My first crime was not a misdemeanor. That's why I stay hydrated in them bottle of liquor. Oh, your honor, blame me on the liquor. It's like I'm mute, I'm talking with my
Life is a game, if you win it, then you wanna win it. That means you can't let them haters hold you down. You gotta push it to the limit. Push it to the limit. Push it to the limit. Push it to the life is a game, if you win it, then you wanna win it. That means you can't let them, don't make them hold you down, no. Don't let them hold you down now. Don't. Never that. Run back on the truck. Every day with it on the truck. I run down, hey.